Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best TS9521 printer review that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Canon TS202 inkjet photo printer. This compact and affordable printer is a great option for users who need a simple, space-saving solution for printing documents and photos. It features a fine hybrid ink system that delivers detailed outputs, whether you're printing crisp text or vibrant images. However, keep in mind that this is a single-function printer and requires a USB cable for connectivity, which is not included in the box. In terms of design, the TS202 is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for small spaces such as dorm rooms or home offices. With a rear paper tray that can hold up to 60 sheets, it's ready for modest print jobs. While it doesn't have wireless connectivity, it is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. As for performance, this printer offers satisfactory speeds of 7.7 ppm for black and white prints and 4 ppm for color. It's not the fastest on this list, but it gets the job done for basic tasks. The downside is the lack of advanced features like wireless printing or automatic duplexing. This printer is best suited for those on a tight budget who need a straightforward and reliable option. Pros include its compact size and decent print quality, while cons are its limited connectivity and lack of multifunctionality. At number 4, we have the Canon PIXMA TS8820 wireless all-in-one photo printer. This sleek and stylish printer offers a lot of functionality for home use, including print, scan, and copy features. What sets it apart is its 6 individual ink system, which allows you to replace only the colors that run out, reducing overall ink costs. The PIXMA TS8820 also supports borderless printing, making it ideal for photo enthusiasts. In terms of design, the TS8820 is compact and lightweight with a modern white finish that looks great in any workspace. Its 4.3-inch color touchscreen makes navigation effortless, and the printer supports dual-sided printing to save paper. The rear tray accommodates various media sizes, making it versatile for printing anything from standard documents to custom-sized photos. Performance-wise, this printer delivers fast speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and white and 10 ppm for color. Its wireless connectivity ensures seamless printing from smartphones, PCs, tablets, and laptops. However, it's not as robust as some of the higher-end models in this list, and its build quality feels lighter compared to premium options. It's perfect for general home use and small creative projects. Pros include its versatile media support and user-friendly touchscreen, while cons are its relatively limited paper capacity and higher upfront cost. Taking the third spot is the Canon PIXMA TR8620A, an all-in-one printer designed for home office use. This printer offers print, copy, scan, and fax functionalities, making it a versatile choice for users who need productivity features without breaking the bank. With a 5-individual ink tank system and built-in auto-duplex printing, it strikes a balance between efficiency and quality. Design-wise, the TR8620A boasts a sleek black finish and a compact build, making it easy to fit in any workspace. It features a 1,000-page duty cycle, making it suitable for moderate to heavy printing needs. The LCD touchscreen is intuitive, and the 200-sheet capacity, split between the rear tray and cassette, ensures minimal interruptions during large print jobs. This printer performs well, delivering speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and white and 10 ppm for color. It supports wireless printing through AirPrint and works with Alexa for voice-activated control. While it excels in versatility, its photo printing capabilities are good but not exceptional compared to higher-end models. Ideal for home offices and small businesses, the TR8620A's pros include its multifunctionality and voice-activated printing, while cons are its average photo printing quality and heavier weight. Coming in at number 2 is the Canon PIXMA TS9002A wireless single-function printer, which is the budget option on our list. Priced at just $99.99, this printer offers excellent value for those who need reliable and straightforward printing capabilities. With a high paper capacity of 350 sheets and auto-duplex printing, this printer is ready to handle large print jobs efficiently. The TS9002A features a compact and sturdy design, ideal for home offices or personal use. It includes a hybrid ink system that combines dye ink for vibrant colors and pigment ink for sharp text, ensuring high-quality prints every time. Additionally, it supports mobile printing through AirPrint and Mopria, making it easy to print directly from your smartphone or tablet. While this printer lacks multifunctionality like scanning and copying, it delivers strong performance with print speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and white and 10 ppm for color. It's perfect for users who need a dedicated printing solution without the added complexity of extra features. Pros include its affordable price, large paper capacity, and excellent print quality, while cons are its single-function limitation and lighter build quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canon PIXMA TS9520A wireless home all-in-one inkjet printer. As the premium option on this list, this printer offers top-tier features and performance that justify its $299 price tag. It's a true all-in-one device, enabling users to print, copy, and scan with ease. Its 5 individual ink system ensures that you only replace the colors that run out, saving you money in the long run. The TS9520A is designed for versatility and convenience. With a sleek black finish and user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen, it's easy to operate. Its dual paper trays accommodate up to 200 sheets, and the 20-sheet auto-document feeder is perfect for scanning multi-page documents. Moreover, it supports a wide range of media sizes, including large formats like 11 x 17 inches for posters and scrapbooking. In terms of performance, this printer delivers fast print speeds of up to 15 ppm for black and white and 10 ppm for color. The Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with mobile printing apps make it ideal for modern households. Whether you're printing high-quality photos or business documents, the TS9520A excels across the board. Pros include its robust feature set, versatile media support, and excellent print quality, while cons are its higher price point and larger footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.